In this video, I will show you how to add your business location on Instagram. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. First of all, after you open your phone, go to your Instagram app. After you open your Instagram, as you can see, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. As you can see now, under your profile now, there is no option to add your business location directly. There is no option for you to do that for now. So in order for you to do that, all you have to do now, close your Instagram, go to your browser, either Chrome or Safari. So for me, I'm now using a Android phone, so I'll use my Chrome browser. After you open your browser, just search for map. As you can see, tap on this section where it says google.map. As you can see, map.google, so tap on it. After you tap on this google.map, as you can see now, it will give you an option like this. As you can see, it will give you different location under this Google map. So all you have to do now, go and search for the location that you want to add as your business location on Instagram. So for me, let's say I want to use USA, United States. And under United States, I want to use Chicago as my business location. Here is Chicago, so tap on it. So as you can see now, it makes the red icon on Chicago. So as you can see now, it gives you a share button. So tap on this share button under this Chicago. So as you can see now it will give you an option to copy link for this location. So tap on this copy to clipboard. So now I copy the link of this location on my clipboard. So now go back to your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, now all you have to do, now after you open your Instagram, tap on this edit profile button. Under this edit profile, scroll all the way to down and tap on this add link, this section. Under this add link, tap on this add external link. So now paste in your URL in this section. I'll just now go and paste my link. Here is my link for my location. So now give it a title. I'll just give it like my location. Here is it, my location. So now after you type in your link and your title, tap on this save button. So now it's saved my location. I'll just tap on this back button, back again. So as you can see now, under my Instagram profile, now I have a link which gives my location. So I tap on this link, now it will take the person to my current location, which is I choose Chicago. As you can see, here is the location. So here is the location now. It is just opening the location now. So as you can see, here is the location now. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.